It was my first Pokemon opening on this channel. Hope you guys enjoy.
Golden Greninja Baseball.
Roller coaster first? Yeah. One second. Give it a blow. Give it a blow. Here.
Open it on the back. Code. Check the code. Free from back.
No texture. No pressure.
That's what he says.
Break card. Get out. Spirit Link. Wait, how much cards does that mean? 1, 2, 3, 4. 6. Here comes the break, everyone. Sorry if you saw it, I spoiled it.
Eradicate!
Break.
Is there anything behind it?
Oh,
Just look at that. Eradicate break.
Texture.
What do you expect from
No. No texture.
But you don't get one every pack.
Yeah, that's...
And they're not just exclusive to Breakpoint.
No.
Serious? You wanted a break, didn't you?
Yes.
Spoiled it.
Alright, guys. Let's go in and add it to my collection.
No, not yet. It's so ashy.
Let's go. I'm putting it in my collection.
Wait, let's see Skizzer.
I got this, but I didn't film.
You can't.
opening. I didn't.
You can't always see like.
Just go. Can I just turn on?
Dun. This is 100% real.
How do you turn it on? No, it doesn't turn on.
Stop talking about toys.
Alright.
I can always see.
So we got here. So I need to put on like my.
One more see of the code. Wait.
What's
So if you can't see it, there we
60.
go. Done?
No. Oh, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you on the next video.